another video. Today we have special buy of the day, a lot of Milwaukee super deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Remember to review videos. That's the way YouTubers their platform by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, check this out. Lots of Milwaukee deals. You got, well, some of these are not fuel, brushless, whatever you want to call it. So lithium iron cordless combo kit 4-tool combo. So it's a 4-tool combo kit plus you get a circ saw and a vacuum. This is the regular vacuum, the older one. Still, I could say for $409, I think it's a decent deal. Actually, it's a pretty good deal because it does include the circ saw and the vacuum. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. So $409, and then you got the same deal with the oscillating tool. This is the older oscillating tool, $409, and then you got the same deal with the sander. Obviously, the first one's the best one because you get the circ saw, and then you got the sander and the oscillating tool. Well, actually, these are different. These are the 6-tool combo kit. So on this one, you're gonna get a circ saw. You're gonna get an angle grinder, a light reciprocating saw, drill driver, impact driver, a charger. It looks like 2 big batteries here, like maybe 2 5s. You're getting a vacuum and a sander, $649. Yeah, I think these are pretty good deals. As you guys see here, but I think this is even lower here with the 40% and 39%. So definitely check it out. And then you got the same deal here with the sander and an oscillating tool for $649. And then on this one, you got the same thing, but you got with the oscillating tool. Yeah, it's the same thing, $659. So what's the difference? Oh yeah, the vacuum is the difference. So it's like this one, but yeah. So on this one, you got the vacuum. This one, you're getting 2 vacuums. So if you need 2 vacuums and you need all these tools, $659. Got Ryobi 5-tool combo kit, 1.5 amp hour battery, compact. I guess you get 2 of them, $139. So it's not a bad deal for the DIY. Actually, not too bad. All right, this is where it starts getting better here. You're getting the. Let me just go back. All right, you're getting the M12. Something's gotta be in their way. You get in the M12 fuel lithium cordless, a 1/4-inch right angle die grinder, ratchet, cutoff saw, combo kit, 3 plus 3 batteries, guys, for $349. I think that's a really good deal. You're pretty much getting each tool for around $100, and you're getting the batteries for $50. So definitely check it out. This die grinder, it is fuel. This ratchet is not. So you guys see here, still a great ratchet. Don't get me wrong, it's a great ratchet. It works really good. It's probably one of the better ones that they have too. Of course, it feels better, but you know, still a great. And then you got a cutoff saw here. So I don't know if this one's fuel or not. It doesn't say. So definitely check it out. That's a good kit. Alright, you got another one. This is an impact driver and a hammer drill for $199. It's not the cheapest we've seen it, but it's pretty good. You're getting 3 batteries. Looks like 2 let me see here. 2 amp hours. Yeah, 2 amp hours and a 4. Alright, this one's the fuel 18-volt brushless hacksaw with the impact driver. 2 batteries, so these are 2 5s. And you get the impact driver, and then you get this bit set here. So it's not too bad, $309. And then you get is this a fast charger? No, it's not a fast charger. It's just a regular charger. And then this one's the same thing with the. You get the these blades here for the hacksaw. I can't talk this too early. 309 for that. And then we got Ryobi, the fan and the speaker, $99. Basically, the speaker's like 80 something dollars, or yeah. So you're getting them both for $50, not too bad. Same thing here, you're getting these $50 each. Like I said, the speaker's a little bit more than 50, so it's like $80. On this one, you're getting the cordless half-inch drill driver hammer kit, $199, and then this one you're getting just a regular drill with the 2 amp hour. So you're getting 2 amp hour, two 2 amp hour batteries, $109. You got a drywall cutout tool kit with the battery charger, $99. You got an angle grinder here for $139. A circ saw, octane. These are all octane tools, $179. You got a router, $149. You got a jigsaw, $169. Sorry guys, I'm running a little slow because it's 4 o'clock in the morning here. It's let's see here. Subcompact brushless 3/8 impact wrench, $179. You got a subcompact brushless impact driver, 2.0 with 2.0 amp hour battery, $159. You got a drill and a battery, a small battery, and a flashlight, $79. You got a grease gun here. It's a nice grease gun kit, $149. Now this is where it comes good deals here. Look at this. You got the ratchet here, and you're getting the battery, smaller battery here, 2 amp hour for $109. That's really good. That is really good. Same thing with this, the cutoff tool. So if you need to pick it up, you're only spending around $100, so $119 for this. You got the drill, and then you got some bits here. The basic drill, Ryobi, $99. You got another basic drill and some drilling bits, $98. This one's already sold out, which I don't think it's. Yeah, these are sold out. You got $59 for the planer. You got 2 impact wrenches, $149. You got the right die grinder, the right die grinder. You got the ratchet, 2 batteries, $259. Like I said, the other deal was better for what? Where was it at? Yeah, for $349, $100 more. You're getting another tool and another battery, so it's pretty good. It's a pretty good deal. So yeah, like I said, if you don't want the other tools from that 32 combo kit, you can get this one and just get the tools that you need with 2 batteries. So $259 for these. If you just want the diagram, this is a really good deal. This is nice. $159 with the battery. You got the, what is this? The cordless 9/16 SDS, $379. Can't see, it looks like a 6. You got the you got the angle grinder, 7-inch, $259 with the 5. You got the router, $169 with the 5. You got the bandsaw here, $289 with the 6, I think. Let me just double check for you guys, cause all right, it's an 8, guys. It's an 8. It's not a 6. So these are all 8s. Well, this one's 8. Those are not 6s. All right, you got a 5 and jigsaw there, $189, and this one's already sold out. All right, if you guys onto the Ryobi, you got what is this? A 6-pack of 4s, $299. You got a 2-pack, $109. You got a 3-pack, $149. So $50 a piece, guys. $50 a piece. And then this is a 10 pack for $199. It's a 2 amp hour battery. A 6 pack for $129. You got Cirque blades, 42 fine finish, $26.97. You got Empire Green, 125 feet, 3.75 feet crossline, $199. You got a Hoe Dozer, $69.97. This is a 21 piece. So this is a bigger unit that we've seen before. This is a really good deal. This is a really good deal. Wow, lots of good deals here. You got the radio here, the M12 radio, and then you got the ratchet, 2 batteries, $199. Got a 14-piece multi-tool blade set or kit, $54.97. You got a multi-tool, and then you get some saw blades, $44.97. It's a really good deal. You got another good deal. You should get the Shockwave Impact Duty. So this is what we've seen before with all these bits. This is the 198 piece, $44.97. Here's another good one here. Shockwave Impact Duty, 95 piece, $35.97. Got the fan, $99. Not the best deal, but because obviously you can get this right now. With the 2 batteries, the promo that they have, you can get it with the 2 4s. The fan for $50. I mean for $100. So that's not a good deal. You got the lantern here, LED, 400 lumen, $89.97 with the battery charger. You got the 700 lumen True View, $94.97. Alright, you got the Smart Tech products, 12 volt, 24 volt, 7 amp automotive battery charger, $57.97. You got a Schumacher 15 amp, 12 volt, 3 bank board marine sequential battery, $149. You got a Smart Tech 6 volt, 12 volts, 15 amp smart battery charger, $99. So you got a whole bunch of chargers here. I'm not going to go over them. I'll leave the link down below to all this page. There's a lot of stuff today. Alright, so I'm not going to go over that. Guys, check this out. Lots of Milwaukee. Check all these deals out. Even if you're on the Ryobi platform, you want to get some batteries here, some HP batteries. But yeah, these are definitely some good deals. Check them out. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. You guys have a good morning. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.